My dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods. We're coming to you from the heart of Berkeley, California, a very, very special place with one of the greatest universities. More Nobel Prize winners have taught here than at any other school. Very special ethos of innovation and creativity. And speaking of creativity, we're going to be making today, out of the depths of winter, we're going to be creating a very special banana almond butter smoothie. So let's begin, as we have so many times before, with a Living Tree almond milk base. And what we'll do is to start with a cup of spring water, and we'll put that in a blender. And now a heaping tablespoon of our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter. And now let's give it a blend. And voila, it is flashed into almond milk. A lot fresher than anything that's been sitting on a store shelf. I'm sure you will agree. So we have our almond milk base, and now let's add some frozen bananas. By freezing the bananas, it thickens the smoothie. So, and here, let's give that a blend. And now, a heaping tablespoon of our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter. It's made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. And to that, we're going to be adding a tablespoon of our Living Tree cacao butter. No, Living Tree cacao powder. So now we've added our Living Tree cacao powder, and we're going to be blending. Now, how about some Living Tree Hawaiian honey, coming to you from the land where every day is springtime? The bees just love it there. There's no dormant winter period. They're gathering pollen and nectar every single day and rejoicing in the magnificent climb. And how about a bit of our Living Tree vanilla powder, just a pinch or so vanilla powder, and of course to bring out the flavors, to heighten them, our Living Tree Royal Himalayan Pink Crystal Salt, maybe a pinch or two. And now I have pitted and diced our Living Tree Hawali dates. And dates give a wonderful texture, wonderful smoothness, wonderful sweetness to smoothies, to raw pies, to all sorts, and it just goes so well in so many different desserts. So we've pitted and diced these dates. And let's give that a whirl. And now, how can we leave out our some dinosaur kale, just to give it vivacity, energy, and aliveness? This kale is grown by the folks at Full Belly Farm, one of the finest organic farms here in California. It is a privilege and honor to work with them. So, couple leaves of dinosaur kale to conclude things. Here we go. Okay. Okay. And now, here we have it. It's so vibrantly alive and inviting. So, let's drink a toast to you, the descendants of the greatest generation who liberated the world during the Second World War. Let us drink to you, to your vivacity, to your recognition that prevention is so much better than any medication. Let's drink to your understanding of the importance of Victory Gardens, of every single one of us getting their hands and feet into this American earth. Let us drink a toast to a vibrant springtime. Please get those starts going now, especially lettuce and kale by all means. They're cool weather germinators for sure. So here we go. And let's also reaffirm our faith in you, in your ability to one day recreate, regenerate, and redeem this American earth. Let us go forward and build here a garden for the American spirit. If you enjoy what we have put forth. You might want to consider hitting the like button. You might want to subscribe down below. And your comments are so very much appreciated. We ponder them, we consider them with utmost care. Our privilege, brothers and sisters, to share. Let us go forward. Thank you.